Today is Saturday, August 13th, I think, August 14th. Today is Saturday, August 14th. I am at Whole Foods. I'm so excited. I haven't been to Whole Foods in a really long time. They have these like grown-up Lunchables that I like. They have like cheese and strawberries and like grapes and little stuff like that in them. So I'm getting those, and I'm getting the aloe vera leaves that I pray they got some, or some aloe vera gel. I pray they got some organic, please. So that I can start my hair maintenance and my hair care routine. I told you I'm going back natural. That's the only reason these braids are still in my head. Y'all look at that. The only reason these braids are still in my head is because I have been procrastinating. I have been procrastinating going back natural because it's so much maintenance for my type of hair. My hair needs a lot of moisture. Sometimes I have to condition twice a week, and I have to do my hair every week. So I'm not tripping because I am on a hair growth journey. I am pressed, honey, pressed to show that Black girls can grow out their hair long and pretty. Whether it's 4C hair, 3C hair, 2C hair, A, B, or C hair, it don't even matter. Black girls can grow out our hair, and I want to show y'all that. So a part of my hair care routine will be using aloe vera gel, whether I gotta make it from the leaves or if I can find it in something, using an aloe vera gel as my conditioners, whether that's like for the weekly or a part of the bi-weekly. I need to find something that is a good deep conditioner that's natural, but that's probably another project we have to figure out later on. Right now I'm using the Shea Moisture Mask. Anyway, I am about to walk into Whole Foods. That's another thing. I am so ashamed, y'all. I haven't got hooked on these. I don't feel as bad though, because I'll drink like half of it and then fill it up with ice and then put it in the refrigerator for the next day. So it's like the decaf version for the next day. But these iced coffees are so good. Actually, this is an iced latte with almond milk and extra caramel. But these are so good. This not no habit we finna pick up. Today the last day for these. But mask on. We about to go to Whole Foods. I used to work here a long time ago, like 2014, 2013. I need aloe vera. I pray they got some. Oh my goodness. Look how soft this is. Pepperoni. What's this? Provolone? What kind of cheese is that here? Provolone and crackers? Or turkey? Oh, I might come with this. I think this is the one. Bro, where are the green baby bells? We need the green ones. I used to love making salads. It don't look like they got much out though. Oh, they have sushi. I'm about to get way more than I bargained for today. Okay, just got through with Whole Foods. I'm about to sanitize my hands. It's like 90% alcohol or something like that, but anywho, I forgot Whole Smooth. I forgot Whole Foods made smoothies. So I got one with pineapples, blueberries, strawberry, pineapple juice, blueberries, strawberries, and spinach. Yep, and spinach. So good. It's so good. So I got lunch too. Y'all saw my plants. I got 4 of them. So excited about them. Aloe vera gives your hair a lot of moisture, and the moisture is what is really going to make my hair grow. So I got those. And then, like I said, I got lunch. So I got some crackers. Wheat crackers. I'm not playing with eating healthier, y'all. Like, my skin glow different when I eat healthier. This tuna fish got crack in it, and I know it got crack in. It's always one finger. It's always one. I know it got crack in it because it's $10 a pound, and yes, I got a pound of it. No, I am not ashamed. This shit good as fuck. The crack in it is the dill. I don't even see no dill in here. I hope they put some dill in here. For some reason, dill does something different to tuna fish for me. But I got that, and then I got my adult Lunchables. I got turkey, Kobe Jack, crackers, animal crackers. And then I got grapes, strawberries, cheddar, and Swiss. That's all I got, the extra crackers. I'm about to smash because I'm hungry. I'm about to take a second to eat. And then I'm gonna go, I don't know if I'm gonna go to Walmart or somewhere like Sprouts. I don't want to open up. I do actually want to open up. No, because I got a tuna fish right here. Y'all, I am hungry. This nail pissing me off. I ain't even tripping on the fact that it's gone. Because if any nail gonna break, it's gonna be this one. Because I'm always using my hands. I'm always doing something. That's perfect when you're doing your makeup. When you never lost your mail, ladies, one trip only. Y'all, the girls are running out of ideas. Doritos Cool Ranch flavored Lay's? Like, what was the point? Chili mango Lay's? Nah, you're losing me. Tangy Ranch? When I hear tangy, they don't come with good things. And this is so funny because were these not out when we were in like high school? And we were obsessed, right? The girls had finally ran out of ideas. Well, these look like they're Hey, Beauts. So I just dropped my boys off to their daddy. Okay, co-parenting parents, what's up? But I just dropped my boys off to their daddy. And I just left from one of my business friends. He was selling dinners, so I got me a sausage, okay? Because I ain't gonna say what I was gonna say. I wanted a sausage. Excuse me, I wanted a sausage. Y'all, yes, it's over. But I'm on my way to at home because I found a mirror from my Vanity. Now, I hadn't told y'all that the table that I had in my war room first, that I bought that all white one, and a lot of my spiritual stuff was on there along with my beauty stuff, and I kind of wanted to separate the two and bring my beauty stuff out into my actual room. So I did that, and now that I did that, I have a few finishing touches for my room before I actually show it around to y'all. I will show y'all the vanity though. And the new mirror that I'm going to get is going to be on this vanity. So cute. It was one of them impulse buys, not gonna lie, because I was looking for one, but I had no intention on actually buying one this morning. Like, I did not wake up with that plan. So I caught it on clearance for like $29.99. It's 28 by 22 inches, so it's a pretty decent size, and it's gold trim, which was exactly what I was looking for. So we got us a little mirror now, and we have our mirrors that's like close-ups. That's what I'm trying to say. Another mirror that I'm gonna use for close-ups. That's what we doing today. So I'm just driving right now through my good old city on our way to at home, and I don't have that big ass chin. It's still there a little bit. My face still kind of chunky, but for the most part, I have lost the majority of my weight. I'm not really mad about the weight. I told y'all that. See, that little bit of chin left. I just want that to go away, and then I just got that little push, literally a little push on my stomach I'm gonna get rid of, and I'm good with my size. I'm really ready to build my wardrobe, and I was at that point last year like, cool, I'm gonna build my wardrobe, but I've gained weight since then, and I like the size that I am now, you know, plus or minus. I want to be one size, y'all. I don't even know how to say it. I'm ready to just be one size so I can build my wardrobe. I feel like I've gained and lost and gained and lost and gained and lost so many times. So here's the new mirror. I absolutely love it. It is so cute. It matches the mirror in the back very perfectly. Like, I got that together. It's something about gold and white and dark pinks that I absolutely just love. I love all shades of pink, but anywho, this is the new mirror. I absolutely love it. Like, I don't know what else to say. I'm not showing y'all too much of what's going on, like, on the desk and stuff, because I'm not done decorating. But these two mirrors down here, these are gonna go. I think I scoped out some really pretty silver ones at home, but if I can find a gold one, I'll hold out for that. So definitely be getting rid of those two mirrors, but I don't know how to like get rid of mirrors in a safe way. Like, I'm superstitious, so I don't want to be breaking no mirrors trying to throw them away. Like, I really need to figure out how to throw away a mirror. So yeah, I'm gonna replace those next, and I'm gonna get a chair, and I'm gonna get some more organization on the desk, and then the vanity will be complete, but the room won't be complete. The closet is halfway complete as well. I'm gonna show y'all that real quick.